fellas,
middle,
क्या कैसे हैं आप लोग? तो मैं तो आपको लेकर
so confused.
तो लास्ट
I
टाइम
can't tell you
जो
anything. You
ये
can't or
बंदे
you
हैं
won't.
वहाँ से ये चश्मे से
Snow.
इन्होंने इतना बड़ा धोखा दिया हमें जिसको देखकर इतना
I
शॉक
just
लगा
want to ask you
बेटी
once.
को
I'm not yours to lose. I'm not going to be an errand girl for Crane anymore.
Looks like Holly.
तो इस
Her sister Lily.
बिकॉज ये मुझे नहीं लग रहा है मुझे
She was looking
यही मुझे लेना
to
है
pay down debt. Eventually, the only people she outran her were shithole
ओके
club,
फिर
the
सेंस करना पड़ेगा
Puddin'
मुझे
Pie. My name is Nerissa.
मेरे साथ
Well, Marissa, the open arms.
Oh my God.
ये वही जगह है को मुझे आगे से
What is
समझ
it?
लगा था
It's Crane.
It's green. Okay, saving time. Oh, I saving. Oh boy. तेरा कुछ jump scare? Hello? Fucking creep.
Fucking creep. Spineless little fucking rat.
Crane? Ugh. God, you think
छोड़ेंगे
you
नहीं।
have to tell her.
I know.
What's going on? What did you find up there? You know, other than the Ichabod crane? How do you know? Shit!
Crane's been.
Baby,
calm down.
Calm down.
Everything's going to be fine, okay? It's going to be fine.
Someone please explain this to me?
That perverted little fucker might be after Snow. I need.
Okay, it's going to be okay. Where did you see her last? Did she
Last
say
time
where
we
she
got
was
the
going?
message.
She took Holly to the business office. Yeah.
Tip trap बाद
How
में
do you know?
I was just at the Trip Trap, and I heard Gren telling some folks about a funeral at the Buckingham Bridge.
Trap?
Way out.
open arms
Wait.
तो सच ले गया
Snow's been through a lot. There are things she doesn't talk about. Just please be.
Say.
You know how you felt when you saw that picture? Well, it's going to be much worse for her. Just remember that.
तू समझा नहीं यार सही में भी सेविंग हो रही है मुझे लगा कि 100 की दोबारा से मेरी वैसे भी आपको नीचे शुभ लिखा हुआ आ रहा है कि मेरे मोबाइल की खासियत 10:20 सही में यार 8 बज के 10 बज के 28 मिनट नहीं तो 8 तो जो जल्दी 100 सब्सक्राइबर करा दो यार मेरा गोल है 100 सब्सक्राइबर और मेरा चैनल देख लेना आप फिर से पैसा बचा मेरे पास यार ओके तो यहाँ हम चलते हैं ये हमारी लग पे जाएंगे
People she trusted and cared for.
शुक्र है सही है ये
I won't. By claiming one day that the pain of losing Lily will ever subside. But I also know that the memory of Lily will sustain as well.
Something's happened.
Bigby, what the hell are you doing? I'm sorry, everyone. I
अरे
don't get the fuck out of here.
इसकी
Holly,
वो
wait.
लड़की ये लड़की
He has
ये
no
ये
right
ये
to be
लड़का और
here.
ये
Not after what he
और
did.
सॉरी
You throw my sister down the witching well, and you have the nerve to show
yes,
your
yeah, but
face
yeah,
here. And you say you need her for evidence?
अंतिम
disposed of
संस्कार
Lily's body
अंतिम
before
संस्कार
Bigby could do
अंतिम
anything about
संस्कार जो भी है हटा जी बता
I'm telling you the truth. But this genuinely wasn't his fault.
You can't tell me Bigby gives a shit about this. Holly, it's gonna be okay.
Crane's a fucking prick, so. Hey, what do you know? We actually agree on something.
Holly, Bigby's trying in his own way, and I'm sure for being here. But this one isn't on him.
nobody say ये अपनी तो यार सही में यार शादी
Why are you
करना।
here anyway? And don't say it's because you care about this. I think I know who murdered your sister.
Who?
Maybe we should talk about this.
What? No, I deserve to know.
But this isn't the way to go about this.
I don't give a fuck about the way. I don't care about procedure. If anyone should be told, it's me.
Because
It's
फिर पूरा
us,
सके
right
उसे तो
now.
फंसा के रहूँगा साले को.
I think it was Ichabod Crane.
हाँ,
Crane.
they remember that.
Okay, everyone,
Right.
just stop. Bigby and I are going to have a little chat while everyone else gets back to the funeral.
What? He says that fucking Crane murdered Lily and you expect me?
Please, I promise I will tell you what the hell. I know there's something to tell,
बड़ा
but
अच्छा लग रहा है ऐसे black
just
black.
let us do our job. Look, Holly, I know how this must.
No, you don't know how this must feel.
You
You have no
no
idea.
idea.
Thing up. Don't bother anybody. And when the first sign of trouble comes,
What's
and it will come because you're a goddamn walking to the fuck out of here. You hear me?
Of course.
Of course. You won't even know I'm here.
Let's just continue, okay?
This is such bullshit.
Let's go, Holly.
ये ना वही है ना पता नहीं ना बोल
It's your turn to talk.
वो किसी टाइम पे याद नहीं रहता यार सही में सीआईडी देखता था ना उसके भी नाम यही रहते थे उनके जो मुजरिम होते थे जिनके ऑफिसर का नाम नहीं पता पत्र पता है दया बंद पता है
Crane,
Yeah.
I can't believe this. This is someone I've worked with. He
Character,
gets
I
freaking
mean,
shakes when he has to order food. I mean, what are you telling me? It's all an act? Just what have you found?
और ना निखिल भी निखिल लिया
Bigby? What's going on? You
अबे
dragged me away from a funeral and now you want to pull the lost little kid in a
वापस
routine?
यार
Look, I can't read your mind and I don't really feel like standing here trying, so I'm going back. We'll talk about this later. Snow? Narissa? What is
मेरी
it?
सहा
I'm sorry. Holly's asking
Nirasa.
for you. Are they starting
Nirasa.
the burn? Yes. Everyone who spoke should really be present for this part. She's kind of distraught. 2 minutes. I don't mean to be... No, I understand. It's just that something's come up.
okay?
I'll be fine.
Nirasa motel
Did you find anything? No?
It was Crane's room. That already, right?
हाँ पता है हाल
Narissa,
अबे झूठी
come in.
तो वे जादूगर था ना क्रेन वो वे जादूगर था इसलिए से मुंह बंद कर रखे थे
Wait,
अबे
easy now, girl.
अरे यार
You know how this goes.
डी
The
डो डम
first thing in a
डी
visit.
डम व्हाट आर यू
How do
डूइंग
you do? That
Me, what are
way,
you doing
it's
here?
proper. What are you doing here? That is the question,
यार
isn't it? Question. We'll snip to the
अबे
chase for
यार
all sakes.
चलो
A little
अभी
bird
बताएं
told us
चलो
that
अभी
you're
बताएं
fit
जरा
to go
मुझे
after
पकड़ो
Crane.
इसके यार
And you see,
चलो अब
we
अपने
particular boy. So you leave Crane alone, and we'll leave you alone.
हाँ
Just take a little
Fuck off.
vacation is all. You have 3 off before this goes to a place you don't want it to. Oh, I don't have my stopwatch on me. We have a deal. You leave Crane alone, and we leave you to yours. Brother, you think this act you got going scares me? Because it doesn't. Always wanted to do things the fun way.
बेटे वो तो उसको
Ladies,
चढ़ा दे
gentlemen, invertebrates, please, rest easy. This is not...
What the hell is going on?
What's happening?
बेटे
Very
बचा रहा
sorry
है,
to
होटल पे वो।
impose, but we only... And we're
Acha.
unhappy to report that things did not go as smoothly as planned.
Bigby, what is he talking about?
Never you mind that, it ain't any of your...
What deal? They want me to leave Crane alone.
Crane?
Oh, now you shouldn't have done that, old boy. That wasn't right, telling everyone our dealings.
अच्छा
What did I
अब भी
say?
डरा
Ollie?
बोलिए बाल बाल मारो 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 हाँ मारो 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 पक्का मारो जान से मारो जान से मारो
Business
मारो कोई नहीं
transaction.
You fucking freaks are not getting away with this.
Holly, don't move.
Yeah,
Handle
listen to
this.
your lady love.
Ollie, let me handle this.
Yeah, let's spare all the fuss.
हाँ
It's
चलो
just a
जाने
dead hole.
I'm gonna kill you!
हाँ हाँ मारो 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 यस मारो मारो यार मारो प्लीज यार हाथ पे कर यार यस 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 हाँ क्या कर रहे हो
I...
जी हम लोग आगे बढ़ते हैं हम और वैसे ही होगी बिकॉज ये उसमें फॉर्म में दी थी इसे मैं हाँ मेरा वो मूड खराब हो गया
A few moments later.
Oh, finally इतने देर बाद स्टार्ट हो गया चैप्टर 3 अ कुक्ड मील तो वो टूटा हुआ है कहाँ निकल गया
I did as well as I could to take out the buckshot, but there's still some shards left embedded in your shoulder. They'll eventually worm their way out on their own, but until they do, you're going to be sore.
Appointed Fabletown physician for a reason.
It's okay. There's only one thing you have to take away from all
हाथ
this.
पे शॉर्ट
Take it
मारो
easy.
ओ भाई
Don't go looking for any more.
I can't take it easy. I have to find Crane.
Higby? What's
बच्चा नहीं
wrong?
सीधा हाथ
Lack
नहीं
of sleep for one thing.
ये फाउंड कर
Getting
पाएगा
shot for another. They'll be fine. Get everyone that got wounded sent home. Holly refused to let me see where she lived, so I left her and Grendel back at her bar with a dose of juniper and spring water. Just remember what I said. The stitches
वो
won't hold
सीरियल
up if you
उस
continue to act
दोनों डी
like you normally do.
आई ट्राई
And eat more chicken.
Taking it easy is not really my thing, Doc.
Well, whatever your thing is, try and make it.
उन दोनों सही में 2 बार में पीछे मारा है
Business office. I know. I'll have to call you back.
Well, I'll leave you two to it then.
वो
This way,
चारों
Bigby.
तीनों को छोड़ेंगे नहीं सही में एक क्रेन को और इसमें बड़ा दिमाग खराब कर दिया इन्होंने
So, to recap,
Crane watched me through the magic mirror uncover his room at the
अच्छा
open.
एक बड़ा नहीं
We
बोलेगी
smashed it, so we couldn't use it ourselves to go after. And we know this because Buffkin was drinking in the rafters. That about cover it?
once he puts all the pieces back together,
Easy
it'll
to
be
catch
easy to catch
Crane.
Crane. So, I guess that's the plan, currently.
Just wait for the mirror.
I don't know.
Crane
I don't have
waiting
time to
again.
wait for the mirror. Crane could be getting on a train right now.
Well, I don't want to just go running off into the night without some direction. What the hell is going on?
जैसे जोड़ने की कोशिश कर रही है
I don't know what the Tweedles get out of this. I don't know if Crane sent them. I don't know if... I mean, this is going to sound crazy, but do you really think everything points to him? I get it, but do you really think he killed those women? Because it's
Not
just...
sure how
I'm as confused as you are, to be honest. It just doesn't make sense.
He's conniver, a coward, a liar.
Coward, a liar.
And I'll always hate him for that. And I'll hate him for how he held me murdering prostitutes. Ow! Everything okay over there?
Yes, Miss White. Just cut myself on a piece of the glass. Nothing to...
Thanks for
वैसे
tonight,
सही कर रहा है
by the
अभी.
way.
Thank you for that.
That could have gone really terribly.
Really bad
I
for
mean,
all
even worse
just
than it
that.
did.
I just...
Yeah. Time heals everything eventually.
I hope
At least,
so.
I hope so.
Yeah.
For her. Can I
यार
ask
कम
you a
कमेंट बॉक्स में
question?
बताओ यार आपको कैसी वीडियो चाहिए.
It's kind of
आपको
personal.
माइनक्राफ्ट
I don't want to offend you,
Sure.
but after tonight, it's on my
What do you
mind.
Why?
want?
What's on your mind?
It hits the fan, like it did tonight. It feels like before we came to the city. It feels kind of like home. Heard it said that maybe in some tiny little bottled up way, deep inside, you kind of enjoy it when things go wrong. Because it just, you know,
Fuck no, I don't. Wish it didn't happen.
Sorry.
I shouldn't have said anything. Forget that I did.
Guys, we have a problem.
What is it?
I can't finish the mirror. It's missing a piece.
हाँ?
What do you
Yes.
Yes, it's,
Crane must have taken a shard with him.
Oh, I can't believe this.
I saw Crane. I didn't realize what it was until now.
The mirror can't work unless it's whole.
Well, that's not entirely true.
Or what, Buffkin? What? We
मतलब
sit
क्या
around
बोलते
and
हो
wait
यार?
until it mends itself? We have no idea how long that will take. We're just gonna have to do this the hard way.
I'm not sure.
No,
We
we can't depend on the mirror.
All right. How long will it take for the mirror to reform?
Well, it could take days.
4 months. He had to have left something that tells us where he's going. He's an
अला वो
idiot.
लेके
He's
smart है
not
बड़ा.
that smart.
Smart enough to take a piece of the mirror. Cells. I know
But he's
that.
not-
Never mind
चल
that.
यार.
Come help me look.
पफकिन तू भी साथ चल ले यार. साथ आ जा यार तू भी. इंटेलिजेंट. अरे तू साथ आ यार.
Hi, Mr. Bigby. I can still help you catch Crane, you know.
Oh, yeah?
Telephone before he left. Well, he called up somebody. He said he needed to see his witch, or that he would need to get to the witch for that. Whoever that is. Yes, it sounded like the one he got his snow glamours from. I'll just see if I can do anything about this.
You do that.
पूछ तो यार. वो यार वो ही लगता है कि ऐसा करेगा यार पर.
Buff Crane called somebody before he left. Sounds like he's going to see a witch, or
समझ में नहीं आ
his
रहा ये
witch.
बड़ी बिगड़ रही
His
है.
glamour witch.
None of the 13th floor witches would allow that sort of thing. They must be
13th
somewhere in the
floor.
city. It's something at least.
मैंने
There's enough
ना
notes and
Minecraft
stuff
के
here
जो
to take
आधे से
home.
ज़्यादा काम पूरा हुआ है
Maybe
घर का.
check that stuff there.
और जो घर है वो बड़ा तगड़ा बनने वाला है. ऐसी बात तो है. और भाई मैं ट्यूटोरियल बना रहा हूँ गाइस. ऐसी बात नहीं है खुद बना रहा हूँ. और मैं टोटली सर्वाइवल बना रहा हूँ. ठीक है. एक से मैंने कुछ देखा. मैंने कुछ तो देखा अभी. मेरे पे लैब से कुछ. ये देखो यहाँ पर ये 104 नहीं 204
What
ना.
is it?
It's the key to his room at the open arms.
There. I want to know. I need to know.
Crane was, paying Lily to live out a fantasy of him and you. Forgive me if I spare you the details.
I keep thinking back. I keep replaying actions with him when he'd catch me in the elevator or bump into me outside. There's only so much you can...
You can't have
There's no, you couldn't have known.
No. Come on, let's keep looking.
देखते हैं क्या है यार.
There's a page here that was torn out.
Oh, yeah? Buffkin, do you know what was here?
पेज फटा
It's
हुआ
a
है.
ring, at least. Every magical item not retained in the armory is assigned to someone in Fabletown. It must be this witch he's going
ये
to
बड़ा
see.
इंटेलिजेंट है. बड़ा प्यारा लगता है.
Yeah, I
बंदा
only
ये रहा है
just-
सुनने वाला.
No one asked me.
Buffkin!
And I'm hungover. I'm sorry. He said tonight.
What's going on? Is the mirror fixed yet?
Bluebeard, this isn't the time.
Is the mirror fixed or isn't it?
It's to see if you knew where Crane could be, and that was it, okay? And I'm sorry I said anything more than that.
Well, you did, and I know. The cat's out of the bag. Find the dull pervert or not.
I don't know why Snow told you anything.
He and Crane talk all the time, okay? He was turned out to be useless.
We hardly talk all the time. Besides, why spend time on such gutter snipe?
He took a piece of the mirror, so we can't use it.
The only thing we know is that Crane's going to see a witch at 2 o'clock.
Aim to be
A.M.
Listen, Bluebeard, you're not a part of this.
I don't think you're in any position
So
to
get
turn
him.
away.
About Crane, anyway.
That he has the stones to kill prostitutes like any common sex-frightened serial killer and not face a
Huh?
real challenge.
He's going to see a witch, and it's to acquire a magic
मैं बस
ring.
बड़ा दबी
What's the ring?
We don't know what it does or who it's assigned to since Crane tore its page out of the book.
Ridiculous idea for a plan. I mean, who put you in charge in the first place?
Fixing the mirror was the most logical
You're a
thing.
secretary. He's the steward chosen
अबे
to run
ओ
this office.
चौड़ा मत हो
Who
जरा
elected you to
मारने का
make
मौका
these spend my money?
Well, I've been doing that unofficially for years now.
handling the
Unofficially is not
investigation.
officially.
I'm heading up the investigation, okay, Bluebeard? That makes this a moot point.
And somebody needs to run the business office while he does so.
Well then, excuse me for having the Commonwealth in mind.
All right, let's just look on the bright side. We know Crane Black Market Glamours,
Thanks to me.
and that he'll be there at 2. So that gives us a few short hours and where they live and get them all at once.
And a few shorter
No
hours, the
problem.
more you babble about.
Interesting भी
Yeah, and that's
देखते
if he's even going there. We're trusting a
जानते हैं कहाँ से
monkey's
कुछ
interpretation of a phone call.
It's not an interpretation. It's what he said, all right?
Yeah, and it's what we have. So let's go on it, okay? Since Lily known who the witch was, and I don't think Holly's burned her things yet, it would probably have the address or a phone number or something.
And Bigby is free to go there. Question you should be asking.
ये सिरे
is
लेवल
just
यारी
what
है
do the two
Bluebeard
Toodles know about this?
It doesn't matter what they know. After tonight,
They're not smart enough to try and go anywhere
the
else.
trip trap is the better option to track the witch down.
हाँ
Holly has Lily's things. The safer bet.
I don't
They
really
will
care
remember
what you
that.
two do. I'm going to his apartment.
What? You can't just go up
भाग ले
there.
भाग ले भाग ले
Why
भाग
the
ले
hell
निकल
not?
ले
Remember, I don't know where it is.
Then I'll pick the blasted lock. I've wasted enough time waiting for the mirror to find him. I won't waste any more.
You just can't go up there alone, all right?
Thanks, my dear, if that's what concerns you.
What concerns me is you traipsing through possible evidence.
Oh, now it's evidence. Before you had no interest, and now it's a crime scene.
Fine, I don't care. Just go ahead.
We can't just let Bluebeard run amok in Crane's place.
Ha!
We have to find the witch, Bluebeard, since that's where he's going.
Or the sniveling weasel chickened out. Never went anywhere.
अबे
And
यार
he's
तू
upstairs right now in his
उससे
pitiful
दिला रहा है
house,
मुझे सही में
crafting a fort out of couch cushions. Look, this is how we're going to do it. Wherever you go,
अरे चश्मे
I'll go to the other.
I don't like you
Look,
going
Lazar.
anywhere unsupervised. He's
वो
up to
खड़ा खड़ा
something.
क्या क्या
I
कर
know, but we don't have the time to really worry
Muffin.
about it now. Where are you gonna go, Bigby?
find the witch
So you leave Crane alone, and we leave you alone.
I'd love to join you, but there's some business I need to attend to.
No, I'm better off dealing with things.
अरे
alone.
दोनों से बदला
I don't
लेना
need
मुझे अब
sympathy and I don't need charity.
क्रेन अपार्टमेंट
Crane's place is right here. I should check that out first.
Perfect. And I'll go to those two imbeciles' office.
Crane's penthouse number is 1903.
अबे यार
Let me know
फिर
when you
से
find
पिछली
it.
बार भी
I
होता है
hope
वो
I
जाए
don't
तो कॉल आ गया था क्या हुआ जो से मूवी तो देखते हैं क्या होगा तो गाइस इस वीडियो को मैं यहीं पर एंड करता हूँ। आप यार थक गया बनाते अब मेरे सोने का मन कर रहा है, तो तब तक के लिए बाय। और मैं तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बाय। और चैनल को सब्सक्राइबर का गोल है, और जल्दी बोला तो फिर मेरा फेस देख लो। और बाकी सब हाँ, चैनल सब्सक्राइब, लाइक, शेयर सब जो आपको समझ दो। मैं तो अगली वीडियो तब तक के लिए बाय। हाँ मैं बोल दो बाय।